guys.
Wala tayong
So hey guys,
We're cooking.
honey buttered chicken. Mak. Chicken.
Uy, naamoy ko na.
Oh, it smells so good.
Naghugas pa kayo?
Yes, sir.
Ano kayo?
Yes, sir.
Brado.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, wait lang. Chicken.
Santino dun sa picture.
Ayun, wala si Santino sa picture. Uy, Santino, nag-practice na sila. Ay! Ubus ka agad! Kailangan kasi deep fried.
Yeah, I know that.
Onti pa! Okay, tapos na. Nasaan na yung pinggan? Uy!
Here, hold the vlog.
Ikaw mag-hold.
Dahil ikaw yung English speaking.
Hey, what's up guys? Hey.
Uy, kulang
Look at the chicken. The fresh chicken. Chicken. Let me see you the deep fried. Sexy fried chicken. Oh yes, the sexy fried chicken. You like it? Add some more. And the egg. The lettuce. Hello. So, what you wanna do? I'll tell you what you want. I'll tell you what you want. So tell what you want. I'll tell you what you want. I wanna. Chicken. Chicken curry. The sexy, greasy chicken. Chicken, mak da. Chicken. So, sweat. You're very sweaty. Go wash your head. Oh no. Do not. No, beer. Chicken. The sexy chicken. And the fresh milk. Now you may see. A chicken adobo. So what you wanna do? And chicken again. Wow. Chicken is very popular today. The fried chicken. Chicken. Chick. Mak. Chicken. Mak.
Sakto na to ko.
The sexy chicken. You may see the sexy chicken right here.
Yes, patron. Pangalanan natin mga chicken. Ayun na, punta ka doon. Patricia.
Si Patrick. The adobo is now closed.
Uy, di ba ito?
Now you may see here, they're trying to make ano yan?
Honey glazed chicken.
Honey glazed chicken.
Oh, what's that?
But there's still
Nalala mo pa talaga. Uy, tinan natin.
Oh.
Uy, tinan natin din sa may ano, kabilang ano.
Okay, let's go to the others. Oh, right there. So, we're about to approach. We're about to approach Julio's group. Wait lang. So, we're gonna go look at the chicken. So, I don't know if it's chicken. So, bye and subscribe. Peace out.
Wait. I'm just gonna go to my practice. Outside.
Oy, tihan niyo ako ng ano fried chicken. Bye-bye.
So, I'll be in my practice. So, guys, if I were in my practice, please subscribe and turn on post notifications for shout out. Then, please comment down below your name so I can give you a shout out. Bye, guys.